Greeting Professor, we are from Glucoless Forever team. Today we are going to presenting about our business called Glucoless Dessert Cafe, which is a dessert cafe that designed for the diabetic patient. Next. So basically, our business idea is a dessert cafe that, as I say, we designing for the diabetic patient. So with this core concept, our main target customer are going to be the diabetic patients as well as many of health conscious customer as our beneficial consumer as well. So the thing that differentiates our business from the dessert cafe in the market is that we have a unique target segment which there are less or zero dessert cafe that are currently targeting this segment. Next. So for our business model canvas or the BMC, basically for the value and proposition, we are going to value the low sugar and being the diabetic friendly dessert that are safe and healthy and delicious. So the IT integration is going to be showing nutrition info and providing sugar level and personalized recommendation. For the customer segmentation, as I say, we will targeting the diabetic patients. We also targeting the pre-diabetic individual or fitness focused and health conscious customer as well. So the IT indication is going to be the customer relationship management for customer segmentation that targeting social media as for diabetic and health group. Next. So for the customer relationship, we are going to do the membership program that personalizing dessert plan and nutrition education. As for the IT integration, we will having like the loyalty app, automatic reminder, and chatbot and health assistant. For the distribution channel, we're going to have like the in-store cafe, delivery app, Instagram, and Facebook social media, which the IT integration going to be an online ordering system, social media analytics, and the delivery platform integration. For the key partnership, we are going to have the nutritionist, diabetic association, healthy ingredient supplier, fitness influencer, and delivery partner do- and using IT indication by supplier management system, digital contact, and influencer tools. Next, for the key activity, we're going to develop the low sugar recipe that have like the dessert production, health education, and digital marketing. that that integrating POS system, online inventory tracking. For the key resource, we will have like the receive expert nutrition knowledge or like the cafe staff that integrating cost storage for recipe or CRM. For the revenue stream, we are going to have like the low sugar dessert sale, subscription dessert box that we will integrating online payment system, subscription, auto billing. And lastly, for the cost structure, we will have like the ingredients, rent, staff, salary, marketing budget, nutrition consulting, and IT system maintenance that we will integrating IT by digital cost tracking and automated reporting, marketing analytics. Next.
So move on to IT tools and e-commerce strategies. First one is mobile app. Nutrition scanner for desserts. The purpose is to track user sugar intake with each purchase. Second is personalized recommendation based on the customer health. The purpose is to create the best and safest dessert option for users. Uh, Third is membership and reward point. The purpose is to help diabetic customers choose safe desserts and build long-term loyalty. And this all will support our business by the application serve as a diabetic purchasing platform which personalized feature tailors to customer health needs. Second is automate nutrient and sugar intake calculation, improve convenience and support higher user traffic. Last one is integrate delivery service, allow customer to complete their entry buying process within one platform. And for the website, our business won't need a website since Thai customer don't typically use them for online purchases and would rather order through an application or social media more. So the last one is social media. For the Facebook, for the trust info hub. The purpose is to reach health conscious and diabetic customers. For the content is behind the kitchen video, simple subscription explainer. For the Instagram is for visual promotion. Purpose is to show freshness, quality, and appeals. The content is will be like unbox video, texture close up, visual sugar level labels. For the line is for consumer update. The purpose is to order tracking and retention. For the content is delivery alert and reorder reminders. And this social media will support our business by reach potential customer at the first touch point. Facebook and Instagram are accessible to adult users, especially diabetics, and engaging content encourage app downloads and subscription sign up.
So next is our website prototype. So as we mentioned earlier that like we not necessarily need a website for our business. However, I designed this website homepage to demonstrate how it would look like in this format, especially for different devices like laptop and iPad. And we wanted to show people first what our business is about. So we have the call to action, which is offering sugar-free or low-sugar dessert menus on the website and encourage them to sign up for Glucoless. And next is key product and services. So our key products are sugar-free or low-sugar dessert plans for diabetic patients through a subscription model with weekly delivery. And lastly is contact information, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, which is address, telephone number, social media, and application QR code for people to scan and download after they view the website. Next. So this is our mobile application prototype. So started off, our target audience are mostly older generations or like adults who might not be familiar with like newer technologies. So before they use the application, there will be a short, simple video for people to understand what each function on the application do, and we designed the application to be really simple and like have all the main features right on the home page. So the next screen is the sign up screen. So of course, before using the app, you need to sign up, and then it will show the subscription plans. It could be monthly or yearly, and after you purchase it, you will proceed to the main homepage. Next. So this is our main homepage. We have key features like the search function, where it will lead you to the dessert catalog. The call to action on the mobile app, it will be that it will offer dessert options based on your profile. Like basically, it will tell you to like add to plan now and such. And next, our key service for here is sugar-free or low-sugar dessert plans for diabetic patients, same as mentioned earlier. So there will be dessert plans, and there will also be delivery tracking features where you can track your delivery, and also nutrition scanner where you can scan the QR code on the packages and see how much sugar you've consumed. And also at the bottom part of the homepage will be the help function where it will lead you to the chatbot for assistant and the profile where you can personalize. Yeah, next. So the first screen on here is the dessert catalog, which will show different types of dessert. When you click on them, for example, on the chocolate chip cookie, it will show different like what ingredient it has, what sugar, how many sugar it is, and how many calorie it is. And the application, when they calculate for you, they will tell you if it's safe for you and so on. And then you can also click add to my plan, which will proceed to the next page, which is the dessert plan, which you can click on the date. For example, you click on 9 December and it will let you see what the dessert, like which dessert will be delivered to you on that day. And you can edit it before the day of delivery. Next. And next is the delivery tracking, which will show you like where the dessert now, like, and the estimate time of delivery. And as you can see, there will be also order details of like what you've ordered. Next is the nutrition scanner function where you can scan on the dessert box and it will tell you how many sugars and calorie it has and maybe short description about it. And it will also update it to your profile after you scan that like you've already consumed this. And it will show you that like you might be in the safe zone, like you are still safe to consume sugar after that for the week. And next is the chatbot function, where there will be like an AI chatbot to ask you like how can we help you, and you can pick like many different options. So for example, you pick the delivery issue, and then it will ask you like which kind of issue it is, and then they will contact or like get you to talk to the staff, the human staff after that. And lastly is the profile. So here is where I can say that you can like uh, personalize however you want. It could be like you can put like you have type 1 diabetes, or would you like chocolate, and like what's your sugar intake limit per week, and it will calculate for you and also show you the recommended dessert. Next.
So for the final reflection, first question is how has your understand of e-business changed throughout this course? So this course help us understand the e-business is not only about selling product online, but also about integrating IT tools, data analytics, payment system, and customer experience. We learn how technology can improve operation and create more value for customer. And for the next question is what were the biggest challenges in this project and how did your team overcome them? So the biggest challenges was being designing a business model that support diabetic customer while remaining profitable. Our team solved this by researching health guidelines, defining a clear customer segment, and aligning IT tools with customer needs. Effective teamwork and communication also help us complete the project smoothly. So the last question is how would you apply what you learned in this course to real world business? We would apply digital strategies such as building an informative website using CRM to understand customer, applying AI-based personalization, and implement secure online payments. This tool can help any business operate more efficiently and reach the right audience. Thank you for the listening.